Monster. Hi, I'm a storyteller. I love stories and monsters. Did you know monsters have stories too? Yes, they do, especially mine. When I wake up, I can't wait to share a new story. Today's story is called Sports Monster. My friend Lena is not very confident in sports, so we created a sports monster for her. The sports monster loves to teach everyone how to play. First, he'll teach the sport of soccer. Goal! Lena's monster also has a black belt in karate. He's one tough cookie. The monster is super competitive, and Lena's friends love to challenge him. Together, Lena and her monster love to swim, play soccer, baseball, and basketball. The monster loves water sports. Splash! But most of all, the sports monster loves to give baseball batting tips. Play ball! It's a home run to win the game. All thanks to Lena's sports monster. His name is Coach. What a great story!